Alright guys, so we got the 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. This one's not really stock. It has upgraded suspension and side steps. So, I'll give you guys a little walk around. Nice little truck. It's a double cab. Got the TRD wheels, blacked out badges, a little sticker right there, blacked out badge in the back. And we got the exhaust too. Let me show you the exhaust. Got like a black chrome, pretty nice. Show you guys the interior. Got the cloth seats. Everything's so clean, brand new. Start it up for you guys. I'll close the door. And just push start. Got that button right there. We got the bigger screen now, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for the 2020 models. Decent sized space. Back seats. We got the wireless charger. The button to turn it on and off. The back window. We got parking sensors. I think this is for it's kind of like sport mode. We got blind spot monitoring. Got lane assist, collision control. It's pretty clean. That wrap steering wheel. Good quality stuff. Always by Toyota. Got that compass mirror, crawl control, little knob right there. This one doesn't have a sunroof, of course. Got the shifter with the Tetronic shifter. You can change gears yourself. It is an automatic though, but yeah. Got heated mirrors. We got the 2-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low switch. So climate control, all that. Got GPS. Nope, doesn't. Let's see. Nope. Probably could download it. Not sure. We're low on gas. Get the lights for the back. Get the power outlet in the trunk, in the bed. And I'll show you the back seat. Back seat's pretty decent size. I'm not sure how well car seats will fit in here, but I'm pretty sure they'll fit. Just not much space like a Tundra or SUV would have. But good sized truck, drive around the city, highway, wherever you need to take it. The bed's pretty small. It's not the 6-foot bed, so There's the tailgate. Got the power outlet with a switch up front. The light up there. Backup camera is on the handle. Gives you a lot of space. Parking sensors. So we got Toyotech shocks in the rear. I think we're running iBox in the front. Yeah, so it's lifted. Not sure how high. Might not be much. Check the headlights. Let me pop the hood for you guys. So we got the 3.5 V6. It's something reliable, you know. Like, it doesn't make much power, but it's not slow, it's not fast, it's reliable, low maintenance. So people buy Toyotas, and Tacomas have the best resale value in the nation. So they're right there. 275 horsepower. It has a dual VVTi, 265 torque. Other than that, dude, it's great for off-road, great for driving daily. What more can you ask for a, you know, a small, it's kind of small, but it's a decent sized pickup truck. Can get you places, you know, load stuff wherever you need to load. Guess what, 20 mpg combined, 18 city, 22 highway, which is not bad. This one, look, we installed the clear bra on the front end. I'm not sure on the mirrors either, but yeah, we have a protection package on this. Before I take you guys for a ride, see how it drives. It's low on gas, so I can't really go far, but so you guys get a feel of it. Got some all-terrain tires on them. Some BF Goodrich. Don't mind the tire sauce. It's like when they installed the tires, they just used the grease. Another thing I like to go over with you guys is cup holders. Fit bottles. They say no cups, of course, but it seems like you fit 2 decent sized bottles. Right here, we got 2 cup holders right here. Another one right here. We got 2 more on that side. 2 more right here, which is, damn, that's good. Let's see the back. We got 2 more right here, and 2 more on the other door panel. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 cup holders in the pickup truck, bro. It's pretty good, because my 05 Silverado only has 2. My Pathfinder, Nissan Pathfinder, has a lot also, but 13 cup holders in a pickup truck, it's pretty good. Decent size glove armrest compartment. We got the 2 USB chargers in there. I'm trying to get my phone in there for you guys. Sideways, I'm not sure why. This USB might be for to connect to the infotainment. Glove box is pretty big and easy access to the cabin air filter. But yeah, dude, let's go for a ride. There's a backup camera. How it looks. Pretty clear. Let's see, let's go through the dirt a little. Get some rocks. Not bad. We're in like a rocky, dirt, muddy area right now. Getting a little loose. Just going through it like with no trouble, so let's go up here to the mud. I think I'll get stuck. Yep. So let's back up. It's too muddy. I don't want to dirty the truck that much. I think it's on 2-wheel drive, so let's put it on neutral. 4 low. Let's see if we can go. Oh shit. I'm gonna get stuck. It's gonna get super muddy. I gotta go fast, but I don't want to dirty the car. So, let's get out of there. Made it that far though. A little fun. Sorry for the beeping. That's what happens when you put it on 4 low. Let's push it for high. Get back out and then see how the car looks after that. This is way too muddy. It just snowed a couple days ago. So, oh shit, it's pretty bad. So you can see how bad it is. Let me go get it washed off. That wasn't a good idea. Ouch. Alright, so this truck drives pretty good. Quiet. Tires are pretty quiet. Transmission's just pretty smooth. Now the good thing about this is like you can go off-road whenever you want, drive it daily whenever you want. So it's a win-win for those who like pickup trucks and going off-roads. They have good skid plates on the bottom for you to, you know, do all that fun stuff. Looks a lot better. It's washed off pretty good.